no break Lugia. Too bad.
So, Ho-Oh is the main character. We already had this script.
Yeah, we have, this is Ho-Oh and an oversized one. If you guys don't know what break evolution, they evolve from the regular form, not EX, and it retains all the attacks, abilities, retreat cost, resistance, and weakness of its previous evolution,
but not
health.
And it can still use the same attacks, and it just covers the top.
Yeah,
so
that's why it's very low.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's open it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this thing is hard. Oh, yeah.
More. Let it rip.
Let it rip. Okay.
Okay, guys, we got part of it out.
Okay.
Now let's do the
Okay.
There's 5 booster packs, so that's a lot of
So
cards.
I get 3, he gets 2. Oh.
Yay!
So that's
If you look, it's a break! break! Okay, guys, so we're gonna leave these cards. We're gonna take them out later. No, maybe we should just take them out now. Okay, guys, let's split it up. There is 2
yeah,
breaks.
you get these. I can take.
I get these. Okay, let's open them up. 1, 2, 3, open!
Let me open it. Oh. Oh, come on. Oh, fine.
Ooh, we got Tyranitar Spirit Link!
Nice.
It's so rare. Okay, guys, any EXs yet?
No. Wait. Not so.
I'm not gonna get any EXs. No.
Have you opened this?
But we got Shift 3.
Can you help me?
Yeah, guys. No? Yeah, okay, I'll help you.
Thanks.
Okay, guys. While Cracky's doing his, I'm gonna do. Oh, and I'm gonna spread out the cards that I got.
Vassal for Omate. Alteria Spirit Link.
Alteria? Got an Alteria? We got another Spirit Link. An Alteria Spirit Link. So when it Mega evolves, your turn does not end, guys.
And so we also got a Kabuto. I still have one more face cover.
Okay,
live. Okay.
Hope there's a good one. So these are our 2 Spirit Links, Tyranitar and Alteria. And here's the never seen before Lugia promo card. You can only find it in this pack.
Probably, yeah. It was never seen before.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Now let's see.
Oh, nice, I got Lagarto. Oh, Delphox, but there's nothing good. Old Amber for Aerodactyl.
Look at this.
No EXs.
Look at this. Look at this photograph. Every time I see it, it makes me laugh.
So, the best ones are we got the Delphox, we got Power Memory, we got Lucario.
Look at these 2 breaks.
Oh gosh, look at this. This is a whole evolution.
Look at these 2 breaks. Ho-Oh break. Wobbuffet break.
And then
They're just like big cards if you turn them like that, but they're supposed to be like this. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. But first, we're gonna see all the ones that our best cards are. Okay, of course it's these.
let's count in this.
Lugia. Okay, I'm putting them down.
Where's this?
Okay. Shift 3. Where's Shift 3?
Oh, wait. Rainbow.
You have to put them upside
Juju.
down. Okay, guys. These are our best Pokemon that we got. These are as strong as EXs. Sometimes as strong as Megas.
And we forgot this.
Okay, see? Oh yeah, Porygons too. Hey guys, please like and subscribe.
No, we forgot one. Reggie Steel.
Reggie Steel.
Forbidden Iron
Hammer, 70 damage.
Nice.
Okay guys, please like and subscribe. Bye. This is Finny Chat.